Understanding, violate the trust, an English phrase explained. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase in English: violate the trust. This phrase is common in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding it can really help you in comprehending English better. So, let's dive in. The phrase, violate the trust, is used when someone breaks a promise or does something to lose someone else's confidence. It usually involves a situation where one person had faith or trust in another, and that trust was broken by an action or a series of actions. Understanding this phrase involves two key components: violate and trust. Violate means to break or disregard a rule or agreement, and trust is the belief that someone is reliable and will do what they promise. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a friendship. If a friend tells a secret to another friend and that friend shares it with others, they have violated the trust of the person who shared the secret. 2. In the workplace. If an employee is given confidential information and they leak it, they have violated the trust of their employer. 3. In relationships. If a partner promises to be faithful and then cheats, they have violated the trust in the relationship. Understanding the phrase, violate the trust, is important because it is often used to describe serious breaches of confidence. It's a powerful phrase that conveys disappointment and betrayal. In English-speaking cultures, trust is highly valued, and violating it can lead to severe consequences in personal and professional relationships. Now, let's practice using this phrase in a sentence. When the politician was found to have lied about his credentials, he violated the trust of his voters. She felt that her trust was violated when she found out her friend had been spreading rumors about her. I hope this video has helped you understand what violate the trust means and how to use it in your conversations. Remember, trust is a delicate and valuable aspect of relationships, and this phrase is a powerful way to express when it has been damaged. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English.